Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a grungy, dark, intense, smoky eye look. I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette that I created in collaboration with the fantastic You Can Be, the Cellophane palette. So to begin the look today, I'm going to start with the brows, and the eyebrow pomade that I'm going to be using is probably one of my most favourite products at the moment, just because I just think it's so much fun. So this is a eyebrow pomade. It's by the Handaiyan brand. I got it from Aliexpress. It costs a couple of pounds. It's the most beautiful kind of perfect sky blue shade. The formula is like super creamy, just really easy to use, and the colour is a popping. It lasts all day. It's just a really good quality but very affordable promenade. Also, I have a tip actually, and this is what I've been doing recently when I've been doing my eyebrows, because I shave off the ends of my eyebrows and I always just found it incredibly difficult to get the tails looking good. But I've got a really good tip, and this is what I've been doing, and it literally has massively raised my eyebrow game. So I get a almost like white shade of eyeshadow. You just want a shade that's going to kind of match your skin, so whatever skin type you have, just get a shade that will kind of blend into your skin. Just get a big fluffy brush and I just tap the eyeshadow round about where I want my tail to be, and basically I think that this takes away any kind of slip that is caused by, you know, maybe your foundation or your BB cream or even your moisturizer. All of those kind of liquid based products, they all contain some kind of oil, and I just feel like that makes it incredibly difficult to, you know, draw on over, if that makes any sense whatsoever. By putting the powder down, you are kind of just creating the most easy, let's say easy base to apply the promenade. Watch now, after pretending that I am suddenly the brow queen, just watch, I'm going to definitely mess this up. I always start underneath the brow first. Can you see how easily this product goes on? I don't know as well if maybe the powder base actually helps your brows to stay in place. And now I just go in and I just fill in the rest of my brow. I know that the effect will probably be much better if my brows were lighter, because we do definitely get like this ombre effect going on. But do you know what, I still love it, like, and I just can't be arsed bleaching my brows. The tails of my brows that I shave off, I literally kind of have to shave every other day because the hairs just grow back so fast. Okay, so that is it, although I'm just gonna fill in the end bit a little bit more. But did you see how easy that was? And look at that. Like, if you have even watched videos of mine from 2 weeks ago, my brow would not look this snatched. It just would not. But I just like the powder under the base, the powder. Just put powder on and I guarantee it will be so much easier. This tip definitely is probably more focused at those people who are crazy like me and have shaved off the tail of their brows, but I feel like it could work for other people as well. It could. Anyway, so I'm going to do the other brow. Okay, so the brows, they are done. They're definitely not sisters, but I think they could pass for cousins. This brow is definitely a little bit thicker, whereas this one, she's a little bit thinner, but oh my gosh, can you see why I absolutely love this eyebrow promenade? I just want to go everywhere with it. I went to pick up the boys from the holiday club, and do you know what? I think people loved it. No one mentioned it, but I think, you know, I could see a look of wow in people's eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the high vis eyeliner. I just figured that I might as well pop this on now and we can enjoy it throughout the video. Just going to gently pull down my waterline and we're going to draw it in. So what I really like to do when I'm applying this eyeliner is I just apply feck loads of it, like literally I go hell for leather. I am not particularly neat. I try actually to get it, you know, a little bit lower, so I go right into the waterline and then I try and get it actually where my lower lashes are. I put loads on is what I do, but you can see it's so creamy, it's so pigmented, and this, it really does last all day. So this is definitely the best coloured eyeliner that I've ever had. I really think that it just pops. I've never had a coloured eyeliner that pops as much as this. I just want to try every other shade that they make. Okay, so next we're going to begin work on the lids. I am going to go in with the Black Bean Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX. It's just really easy to use. It just makes the powdered products, A, go on so much easier, but B, really pop right off to space. I just put this on all over the lid and just past the crease so we can blend it out. Just like that, you know, imagine if this was like the look complete, like, hey, there we go, done, job's a good one. Okay, so next you get a fluffy blending brush, blend out the edges. When you're blending out the edges, you can remove some of the product, especially from near the crease. So if you do need to go back in and just add a bit more, I would recommend that you do, you know, just to have maximum fabulosity. If it's a bit messy, it just doesn't matter, it's fine. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the shade LA, and I'm just going to tap that all over the lid, and I'm going to also blend it out a little bit. Okay, so the eyes are complete. I just love this shade, LA. To me, it's the most perfect shade because it's dark, it's smoky, but then you've got the beautiful purple glitters and they look kind of wet from a distance, like here. I just feel like my eyes look like an oil slick, but the best kind of oil slick. I think also contrasted with the blue. I just think it, for me, I'm really loving it. And some people might disagree. Some people might think, oh my gosh, no. I think the blue with the hair, with this peach hair is too much, but I think that the peach really goes with the blue. But I mean, everyone's different, but I really like it. So guys, next I'm going to go in, I've got to do my mascara. I'm definitely going to forget. Oh my gosh, and do you know what? I have never wished I had a blue mascara more than now. I would love a blue mascara, but I don't have one, so it's really sad. I could go white. Could you imagine? I might do white because I've got a lash primer and I'm thinking that even if I don't like it, I can still go in with a mascara over the top. Winning. Okay, I'm going to do that. But first, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of blush. I'm not going to do anything too much today because, you know, we already have a lot going on. I'm going to use the blush I always use. I use this every single time. And I know that everyone's probably thinking, oh my gosh, Anwen, just use a different blush. I love this. So this blush is by the Hair to Beauty brand and it's in the shade Angelica. You can get this on Aliexpress for barely any money. It's an absolute steal, and as you can see, it's just the most beautiful kind of glowy peach shade. Oh, I love it. I think I may add some faux freckles as well, so I'm going to use the 020 Precise Brow Definer and I'm just going to pop that just wherever freckles may want to be. I'm just going to use my sponge just to go over the faux freckles. I messed up there, can you see it? But okay, so before we do the lashes, I'm going to apply my lip product. I'm going to be using the Rouge Signature liquid lipstick. This is in the shade I Tease. One thing that I don't like about this line of liquid lipsticks are the names. The names are just the most pretentious names ever. The hot pink one is called I Speak Up. The orange one is called I Revolutionize, is that? Revolutionize. What? And this one's I Tease, probably my favourite name out of the bunch. But the names are just a little bit nonsensical, you know what I mean? A little bit kind of like a girl power, which I'm not against girl power. I'm a supporter of girl power, but I just feel like the Spice Girls, they should stay in the 90s. So anyway, guys, I'm going to apply this now. Do you know what? I don't think this... Does this shade go with the look? I don't know if it does. I don't think it does. I'm going to take it off. I've not tried this shade yet. So, yeah, I'm going to take it off. I just don't think it complements the look, you know. Oh, is it already staying relaxed? Oh, no. I've not tried this shade yet. And I just don't think it really kind of massively complements the look. So, and now I have to decide, oh, no, what shade to use. Oh, you know what? Because I feel like we've got a lot going on with the blue and with the dark smoky intense eye, I'm just going to go in with quite a understated lip. So I'm going to go in with two MAC minis. This brownie one is called Feed the Senses. What is it with these names? I just think they're all crazy. This one's called Cool Companion. I kind of like Cool Companion, but we're going to go in with a mixture of these two. We need to keep the lips looking quite minimalistic. Like, I don't want my face to be just like a little bit of everything, you know. I think that's the right decision. Like, I'm happy with my choices here. We'll just go on with Cool Companion. Cool Companion didn't really add much, but oh well. These two, they travel in a pair. You just can't split them up. So there we go. Okay, so guys, oh my gosh, now we're going to try the white eyelash experiment. So I'm going to be using the Voluminous Primer. This is by L'Oreal. It is stark white. And oh my gosh, this will either be great or not great. If it's not great, it's not a problem because I'll just go with my Lash Princess. But, you know, we've got to try new things. So, okay, let's do this. Because I just feel like if I put a black mascara on, would it really stand out? Whereas look, yeah, I am liking this. I am really happy with my decision. You can actually see the lashes. Look, oh, yeah, I'm so pleased I did this. I'm so pleased. Oh, guys, look at that. That is a statement eye. That really is. Oh, my face is just screaming, look at me right now. Like, look at me. Give me attention. This lash primer does definitely remind me of a glue. A little bit, honestly. It's kind of like putting glue on your lashes. Okay, so, oh, wow. What a statement I am making. Okay, so I definitely feel like the white mascara is the best decision I've ever made. Honestly, like, look, I mean, it definitely was not what I planned, but I just thought if I go in with like a black mascara here, the eyelashes, they're just not going to really show up at all. But look, guys, look what we've created. Ah, yes, I'm loving it. And I do you know what? I just feel like if you're going to do blue eyebrows, then just carry on the crazy. Just carry it on. Just, you have already gone down the road of this is not conventional. So you might as well just carry on straight down that road. Put your foot down on the pedal. Just go. Just go as fast as you can. And don't look back. And definitely don't stop. Okay, so this is the final look. I don't know how I did that awkward like eye thing, but I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. I just wanted to play around, have a bit of fun with my eyeshadow palette. If you are interested in her, then you can buy her from Amazon UK, Amazon USA, and also the You Can Be website. She's not on Aliexpress yet, but you can get from those 3 places I mentioned. And if you don't worry, like, I know that some places in the world, some places you cannot buy from Amazon UK or Amazon USA, but if not, then I would recommend you use You Can Be's website. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like the final look. It's not as grungy as I was actually thinking it would be. Okay, so I'm really sorry, but my camera, it cut off before I had an opportunity to say goodbye. So I just wanted to come on to say goodbye, but also I'm stood in front of my window so that you can really get the full effect. Okay, that's strange. Anyway, I'm going to go now, but I really wish, hope... Oh, I can't end the video. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.